So a common question about Claude Design is how to export the design file to video format, like a .mp4. So the best way that I found is to ask Claude Design to hand this off to Claude Code. And then in Claude Code, you can ask to install Playwright and FFmpeg in order to generate the MP4 file. So as you can see here, I just said, would I be able to export this to Claude Code? And then it can render as MP4. And what Claude Design is going to do is to package the design file and also instructions to ask Claude Code to install Playwright and FFmpeg. So that's what's happening here. And then you'll be able to download the file. So you can just click on download, save the file, and then you can unzip the file. So this is the folder, and the readme.md is the instructions file. So as you can see here, that's the detailed instructions file. So let's close this. And let's come into Claude Code, and now I'll show you exactly what it did. So what you can do here is come back to this file, click on Option on the keyboard, right-click, so you can copy the path name, and then just paste it in here. And on a separate line, just say, can you render this into MP4 by following the README file? So that's the instructions. And then what Claude Code is going to do is to read the instructions in the README file, and then it's going to install everything that it needs, as you can see here. And on the bottom here, when everything's done, which took about 3 minutes, you will have a MP4 file as the output. So let me show you this file. And here's the file. So when I play this, it was like animated slides, and then it exported as a MP4. So that's how you can export the Claude Design file into video.